Our school is almost as old as our city, but every year clever students graduate from our school. So it was and so it is.
Our school has a lot of traditions. One of them is a festival of good deeds. Every year we go to the House of Care, where we arrange concerts and tea parties.
At the end of a school year, a scientific conference is held in our school. This is a very significant event. Every student wants to take part in it, but he has to deserve it.
We often win regional stages of different competitions. And it's not just luck. Every student of our school is hardworking, clever, and creative. But the main factor of luck is their love to their work.
We regularly arrange the Day of Health. On this day we carry on various sports competitions. Our head teacher also takes part in sports events to show the example.
Every year we elect the president of our school. This is a responsible duty, as the work of our kids' organization depends on him or her. Every candidate presents his or her program and we choose the best. Never the president has disappointed our choice.
Our students often visit kindergartens and arrange different games with children. We organize various competitions, perform short plays. And the children like it very much. Every time they are looking forward to our next visit.
This is only a part of our after-classes activities.